The linking and learning originally is an idea of an alliance of around 5 organizations globally. And for a couple of years, Wilde Ganzen wanted to, together with our local partner organizations, to expand the linking learning program to more countries. So last year was the first linking learning in the Gambia. There was a lot of positive resonance, and this is why we, together with CASAGambia, are doing the second linking learning this year. And it's usually a 2 to 3 day event where the program is based on topics that the group would like to discuss or would like to learn more about. Research persons, experts are invited, but the focus is really for organizations here to link, to connect with each other, to create a network, learn from each other, and expand their network.
More often than not, we have people from outside come to the country or communities, implement projects, which will be amazing, but after the projects, then what is next? Who is there to sustain these projects? Who is there to sustain whatever facility that is been planted or created for continuity? So as a result of that, we feel like, okay, how about we gather all these organizations together? Let's link and learn. Let's see what they do differently. What can we learn from each other to make sure that we exist within this ecosystem of informing each other, educating each other, learning from each other, but also collaborating, because we all exist within the same ecosystem of, community development and sustainability, capacity building as well.
We're trying to investigate, sensitize and sensitize and understand how these community-based organizations work with the communities they operate in. So basically this week has been a learning curve for all of us, because different organizations with different intervention areas from different communities came together, worked together, exchanged ideas, good practices, and then issues that they're facing. So we're trying to find solution as to how we can fix those issues. So it's all down to advocacy. That's why we have to bring different stakeholders together, like resource person, so that we're able to find solutions to those problems.
As an organization, you don't know all. So you have to work with others. All of us that we are here, our aim and objectives are the same. We are all working for the development of the country. And all the organizations that we are here, they are doing something that are benefiting their communities. So that's why it was very important to attend this program.
Most of the organizations, this is my first time of knowing them and what they are doing. So it helps me to always know which organization is doing what, should in case I need any information. So I know who to run to. And I also learn from other organizations that are doing the same thing with me. So I've linked and I've learned, and I will continue to learn from them, because there is already a network of organizations that are available and that I can always communicate to.
The way that people are cooperating now these days, it looks like a movement is being born.
Exactly.
And who knows where it could lead.